Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to write the letter P. The letter P can have a lot of variants. Let's start with the most basic one. It would be something like this, the most basic one. Or like this, so you can either have just two thick strokes or have it rounded like this. Okay, and for this one there are a lot of varieties. Starting, you can start your letter a little bit higher. Okay, then connect it here and a little loop with a thinny here, or have it go all the way, or have it something like this. Probably this one a little bit too higher. You can also have it with a higher stroke, the first variant. I will show you on the practice how it will look like. It will look awesome. Now you can have it separated. So you see here it's more or less the same line, but you can have it separated from the first stroke. The other variant is something like this. This will be pretty cool looking and professional. It's more of a modern calligraphy stuff, so you are not connecting all the letter all the way. You left a little bit of space here and added an underline here. This will look awesome. Also, we can have it a little bit bolder here and a connector. I will show you more in practice. We will practice with a brush pen, and we can start writing the first one, regular, then with a rounded corner here. I really like to make the first stroke a little bit higher, but you can have it as the way you like it. And actually you can connect it just like O or B, like this. Let's check this one out. And a little connection. Let's check the one inside the stroke. Okay, now the one with a little knot here. Yes. Now the one with a separate connection line. Probably needs to be a little bit longer here. Okay. And as for this one, like this, and a stroke here. What's cool about B is that you can connect it and make it bolder and wider than the other letters, which can be pretty useful if you want to add a variety to your lettering. Also, actually, you can connect your letter not inside, just as we've had here, but outside a little bit, something like this. Or if it's the first letter, you can even have it like this. Yes, that's a lot of variants of P. Let's try it out in a word. We will start with the word peace. I will use the last variant because it will work the nicest way in the start of the sentence or a word. Okay, now go here, here, and we can connect it just any way we like. I will add a little knot here. Disconnect the strokes of the A. And make the second E look kind of like the one we've had before. Okay, nice. And we can connect it here. The next word would be palm, and I will show you another way to add some nice variety to lettering. Okay, you see here we've got L that kind of looks like a tree, so we can add a little texture here and add some leaves, something like this. Okay, and now the actual leaves. A little underline here. Yeah, that looks awesome. And for the last word, I will use probably another variant, and we will write the word copper. Start like this, put a little bit down here. Okay, we will use a different marker for this one and add a little bit more volume after we get the letter. Okay, and now some underlines, something like this. And let's make it real bold. Fill this one here. Can have an upper side a little bit thinner than the down one. Okay, The second one you see here, this one is a little bit to the right, so we will correct it and put a little bit more weight to the left side. Okay, well, we can connect this one, that's not a problem here. Add a little bit of weight here and a really thick T, and we can have the same kind of a connection here, just like an O, so it would harmonize our lettering. Yes, that looks really cool. So that's, guys, how you write the letter P.